In the past few weeks, I've made thousands of dollars with Deepseek AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do the same. Check out this channel over here. It's about zodiac signs. It looks like their videos are just boring, faceless videos. The videos are just automatically generated like this, and they have AI voices.
It's not that they want to hurt their partners or don't love them.
So you can absolutely straight away tell that this is an AI generated video. But guess what? Even these boring, faceless AI generated videos are getting tens of thousands of views every single day. If we check these channel stats in a tool called Social Blade, you will see that the daily average for this channel is about 20,000 views. 1,000 views normally gets about $10. So 20,000 views multiplied by $10, we can see that this channel is probably making about $200 a day just from ad revenue alone. But if you add a high converting, highly relevant affiliate program like this one over here, Moon Reading, an interactive astrology reading that converts like crazy, then you can also easily make $24.92 per sale that you refer in this niche. And of course, this kind of product is going to be extremely interesting to anyone who is watching videos about zodiac signs. If you're not into the zodiac sign niche, you can follow this method and you can implement it using any other niche. Just follow the exact same steps, but change the niche in which you're operating. In this video, I'm going to use this channel and this niche as an example because I just think that it's perfect for the method that I'm showing. So step one, go to clickbank.com and open your account, and then find this offer over here called Moon Reading Interactive Astrology. You can see that this gravity score on this offer is 101.6, which basically means that about 100 affiliates in the past couple of weeks have made sales of this. So it's converting for a wide range of affiliates, which is great news for us. We want the high converting product. Now, for every sale that you refer, you're likely to make about $25, which is also pretty great. Also, if you click this link over here saying affiliate page, you can review the information that's intended for potential affiliates of this offer. And you can see that it's the #1 astrology offer in ClickBank, which is good. We want the high converting offer. And cold traffic converts at 2.5%. So that's average conversion. So basically for each 100 clicks that you send to this offer via your affiliate link, you're likely to make 2.5 sales. Okay, so here are some calculations. So this channel is getting close to 20,000 views per day. We're going to be creating similar videos, and then in each of these videos, we're going to be telling the viewer at the end to click the link in the description below to get their free astrological reading. I do this in other niches on my own videos, and I know that about 5% of people end up clicking the link, 5% of the viewers. So 20,000 views per day multiplied by 0.05, that's about 1,000 clicks that you can generate to your affiliate link. 1,000 clicks, if we multiply that by 0.025, which is 2.5%, we know that we can make about 25 conversions, so 25 sales. And we know that on average, each sale brings in about $24.92 commission. So if we multiply that by 24.92, then it means that we can make an extra $623 per day using this method that I'm going to show you if we promote this affiliate offer. These are the approximate calculations. So if we also add about $200 a day in YouTube ad revenue, we're looking at a model that can give you about $823 per day US, which is pretty awesome. For the next step, we're going to need this tool here called Semrush. Thank you to Semrush for sponsoring this video. And you can get your 14-day pro trial for free if you click the link in the description below. I recommend that you go and sign up so that you can follow along with me in this video. I've got a special offer where you get a 14-day pro trial via my link. If you go directly to their website, you can only get a 7-day free trial. So that's why I actually recommend that you get your Semrush account via my link. So just click the link in the description below, because here you get double the length, 14 days. Now, once you're inside Semrush, go to Keyword Magic Tool. So go ahead and type in the starting keyword. So here it can be Virgo, for example, which is one of the zodiac signs. You can get tons of other ideas for initial keywords just by looking through this channel. So now you'll see here I've typed in Virgo, then I've clicked search, and we've got 279,000 keywords that are in the Semrush database. This is why I actually love Semrush, because they've got a massive database of keywords, and we're getting some unique, insane information here. Look at this. So for example, we can make a video about Virgo compatibility. Okay, this will be a very cool and interesting topic for a YouTube video. Here is another one, Aries and Virgo compatibility, Leo and Virgo compatibility. Each one of them is actually a separate idea for a potential YouTube video, so you will never run out of ideas if you use Semrush to research your keyword ideas. Cancer and Virgo compatibility, Gemini and Virgo. And there are literally hundreds and hundreds of potential video ideas just for the Virgo keyword. Of course, you can do the same for all other zodiac signs. So let's take that as a potential idea, Virgo compatibility. And then let's just review what we see in the search results. So after I typed in Virgo compatibility, I can see that the #1 ranking video is actually from 4 years ago and it's had 112,000 views. 112,000 views, guys, for a video that was posted 4 years ago. It means that there is not a lot of competition, which is great news for us. Here we see another one 4 years ago, 54,000 views. Now we've got another one 4 years ago, 30,000 views, and it's a faceless video. And this here is going to be our monetization plan. So we're going to be targeting this search term, getting evergreen traffic, and we will be giving them the information in the video. Then our video will be one of the videos that are going to be coming up here on the search page. And that, of course, is going to be getting us evergreen viewers. We're going to give them the information. And then at the end of the video, we're going to invite them to get personalized zodiac sign reading, which is where we're going to insert our affiliate link. We're going to be promoting this offer. And when they click our affiliate link, they will see this, your free personalized moon reading, which is very relevant, of course, to the video that they've just watched. They're going to click the link. You're going to get paid $24.92 average commission, and you're going to convert 2.5% of all clicks. So this is our monetization plan and approach. All right, so for our very first video idea, let's go with Virgo compatibility. Go and open an account with Deepseek if you don't have one yet. So it's at deepseek.com. And then we're going to start interacting with Deepseek to create our video. Make sure that both of these, this Deepseek R1 is ticked and search is ticked. This is going to improve the results, and it's also going to enable Deepseek to search the web if it needs to. All right, so I'm going to give this command to Deepseek. I want you to write a YouTube script for a new YouTube video. I will give you the transcript for another video. I want you to analyze that transcript and create a similar transcript on the same topic. The title of the video is going to be Virgo compatibility, top 4 zodiac signs, and transcript of the old video is, I'm going to paste it in here. Now, Virgo compatibility, the reason we've chosen this is, of course, because we know that this is a very commonly searched term. We used Semrush for this. We know a lot of people are searching for this, and we know that the competition for this is low. There are only old videos and they're getting a ton of views. So this is perfect. And to get our transcript, just open up this video. Let's say we take this one. We know it's a faceless video and it worked. We know it's a faceless video and it worked really, really well. And to get the transcript, we're just going to click more over here and then click show transcript. And we're going to grab that over here. Okay, so let's just tick this and we're going to say toggle timestamps. Okay, and we're going to select all of this and we're going to press right click, copy, and we're going to now paste it into Deepseek. So that's going to be the transcript of the video. So let's get the result of our YouTube transcript request, and then we're going to edit it to tell the people to actually click the link in the description below as well. So let's hit enter. So Deepseek is now going to give you its whole reasoning and the way that it's thought and exactly what it has considered. So these are all thoughts from Deepseek, which is really cool to see kind of the reasoning that goes on behind what the AI is thinking. And then it has come up with this YouTube script. Okay, so we've got the script, we've got the introduction, we've got the different signs that Deepseek has figured are compatible with Virgo. So we can go through all of this and review all of this. All right, now I'm going to tell Deepseek AI this. Thanks, rearrange the script into a storyline with 5 to 10 second scenes. For each scene, I want you to include narrator part and Leonardo AI prompt to create a suitable image for that part to be part of an information video. All right, there we go. So we've got our scenes with the narrator voice as well as Leonardo AI image prompt. Okay, so we've got all the scenes, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and now we can start creating these images in Leonardo AI. So let's just grab this over here. In the next steps, I'm going to actually show you how to then arrange these images into a video. Inside Leonardo AI, you can use these presets that you can see here on the left-hand side. And I'm just going to start generating these images. So this is the prompt for image 1. So let's click generate. We're going to get 4 different images from which we can then choose what we like. So I'm going to click generate and just take them one by one and generate the images for each of the scenes. Once you've got these previews, choose which of the 4 images you like the most and then click the animate button. So here I'm going to animate this image. So see how it says generate motion video. So I'm just going to click that and I'm going to do the same for each of these images. So I'm going to animate one of them, one of each of the scenes, because that way we're going to get video. Next, let's generate our voiceover. So for this, you just need to go and where it says narrator for each of the scenes, copy all of this into 11 Labs. 11 Labs has got a very generous free plan, which is more than enough to make a lot of videos. So I'm just going to do this. Select the voice that you like to use. And let's go ahead and generate the speech and then download our file. All right, so our videos inside Leonardo are ready. Look at this. This is really cool. And let's download them. And also we're going to start arranging everything into the final video. So just go here and click this download MP4. I'm going to show you how to edit it all together in CapCut. So CapCut is a free to use tool once again, and make sure that when you start a new project, you go here into modify, and for aspect ratio, we want 16:9, frame rate 30 is good. Let's hit save. And now just import all the different parts that you have produced throughout this video into this window over here. All right, so here we've got all of our elements. So let's drop in the voice first. And now you're gonna want to align the voice with each of the scenes. For that, we can use the guides from Deepseek. So we can see here that the first scene starts from Virgos until match their rhythm. So here we know that it's basically here from the very start to the end that we want the first bit of footage to go. So let's just drop that in here. Okay, it's a little bit shorter, but for this, we just will want to basically stretch it out. And in this case, I can just copy and paste it a few times because it's not going to make the actual video any worse. Then we know that for our second scene, here it starts from first up to feels like home. So we needed to stretch out all the way over here. And for this, you can actually just slow down. For this, you can use the speed control. So let's just click that. And then on the right-hand side, we can go to speed and just slow it down so that the actual video stretches out. All right, so now you can see that our video stretches for as long as we need it. In fact, we're actually going to cut that a little bit shorter over here. Let's just delete this and continue doing this until you basically fill this whole voiceover script. Next, let's just get some music downloaded from YouTube audio library to include in the background of our video. And something like this will actually work really well. Let's just download it. All right, we're almost there. Let's now add the captions that will make it easier for the viewers to focus on what is actually being said. So over here, we can go into captions. So text on the left-hand side and then go to auto captions and then click generate. We've got our captions generated, so go to the captions tab on the right side and make sure that everything is actually pronounced correctly. And after this, we can assign some animation. So for this, I like to use the captions animation. You can choose any of these captions effects that you prefer. I'm going to go with this word for word. And then under text, we will want to apply different font. I like to use Comica Access font. Let's make the size a little bit larger. So I'm now going to play the final result.
Virgos, the zodiac's meticulous planners known for their sharp minds and grounded energy. But when it comes to love, which signs can truly match their rhythm? First up, Cancer, the nurturing crab. Virgo's logic meets Cancer's emotion, creating a balance that feels like home. Cancer's empathy softens Virgo's critical side, while Virgo helps Cancer turn dreams into reality. But watch out. Virgo's blunt honesty can bruise Cancer's sensitive shell. Next, Scorpio, the intense, mysterious water sign. Together, they form a bond built on loyalty, trust, and shared goals.
Let me know what you think in the comments below. As the last step, you'll want to actually upload this video. So go into your YouTube studio, click upload, drag and drop your video file and upload it to YouTube. And as you remember, the keyword that we're targeting is Virgo compatibility. We want to include this in the title of our video. So let's grab this. And when we're uploading, we want to make sure that we include this in the title, Virgo compatibility. You can get the ideas from other videos that are currently ranking. As you'll remember, we are kind of getting inspiration from this video here, Virgo compatibility top 4 zodiac signs. So we can do something very similar. Okay, we can call this video Virgo compatibility, the 4 most compatible zodiac signs. So this will kind of just make sure that we have a very high chance of ranking, and we will also need to do the same in the description. Okay, so we can write something like Virgo compatibility, the most compatible signs. And here we will also need to include the call to action for them to buy that affiliate product. So go to ClickBank, find this offer called Moon Reading, and here you'll want to click promote. Enter your affiliate nickname, and then you'll get this over here, something called encrypted hop link. So you'll want to copy this. Now this link is quite ugly and quite long, so I actually highly recommend that you shorten it. So you can use a service such as Bitly to shorten it. So let's create new. Type in your original link over here and then click create your link, and you'll get a custom short link just like this over here. So this looks of course a lot neater, and you can now go back and enter that into the description as well. So here we're going to put a call to action, get your personalized zodiac sign reading, and then we're going to put in this link. So now anyone who watches this, they become curious to get their own personalized reading. They will click that link, and you can see here that it opens up via your affiliate link this page. Once they go through all of the steps, they'll be presented with an offer to buy, and as you know, a high percentage of people will actually buy this. If you guys found it useful, then please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and here now you've got 2 options. You can download my guide on how to make money with AI videos, or you can watch this next video that's going to show you another way to make money with AI. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.